navigate within the Active Directory Administrative Center. 1. On LON-DC1, in Server Manager, click Tools, and then click Active Directory Administrative Center. 2. Click Adatum, Local, click Dynamic Access Control, and then click Global Search. 3. In the navigation pane, click the Tree View tab, and then expand the Adatum, Local, node to view the details of the adatum.com domain. Perform an administrative task within the Active Directory Administrative Center. 1. In the Active Directory Administrative Center, click Overview. 2. In the Reset Password box, in the username box, type adatum\atom. 3. In the Password and Confirm Password boxes, type pa55w.rd. 4. Clear the user must change password at next log on checkbox, and then click Apply. 5. In the Global Search box, in the Search box, type LON, and then press Enter. Create an object. 1. In the Active Directory Administrative Center, in the navigation pane Tree View, expand Adatum, Local, and then click the Computers container. 2. In the Tasks pane, in the Computers section, click New, and then select Computer. 3. In the Create Computer dialog box, enter the following information, and then click OK. Computer name, LONCL4. Computer, NetBIOS, name, LONCL4. 4. Click OK. View all object attributes. 1. In the Active Directory Administrative Center, double-click Adatum, Local, and then in the Management list, double-click Computers. 2. Select LONCL4, and then in the Tasks pane, in the LONCL4 section, click Properties. 3. In the LONCL4 window, scroll down to the Extensions section, click the Attribute Editor tab, and then note that all the attributes of the computer object are available here. 4. Click Cancel to close the LONCL4 window. Use the Windows PowerShell History Viewer. 1. In the Active Directory Administrative Center, click the Windows PowerShell History toolbar in the lower part of the screen. 2. View the details for the new AD computer complete that you used to perform the most recent task. 3. On LON-DC1, close all open windows.